Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to zoom in or zoom out in CapCut tutorial for Android and iOS. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you because feedback helps me. And I show you how to do it. Alright, open App Store or Google Play and click on search and write CapCut and click on search and select CapCut and update or open or install and open CapCut. Alright, and click on new project and select your videos and click
Hello
on
guys,
add, scroll end and select CapCut video and click on delete. Alright, select video and choose moment, start zoom in or zoom out and click center right corner plus and choose finish moment and click on right corner center plus and two fingers zoom in. Alright, and zoom out, zoom in and scroll and click on play.
Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to
Alright, this zoom in and click on K, press K and zoom in and press K and delete K and add K and zoom in. Alright, check.
Hello guys.
Nice. And press K and zoom out. Play.
Hello guys, this is Rom Tips.
Nice. Alright, press K and delete K and very fast. Add K and zoom in. Alright, and click on play.
Hello.
Alright, that's all.